They took me to the hospital, and then I saw a doctor, and I had broken my nose and my face. And the doctor started asking me questions like to count backwards from 10 and things like that, and I couldn't do it. So he diagnosed me well, he thought that I might have had a traumatic brain injury at that time. I was very tired, no energy, was not able to track my days, so I would try to go do one thing and get lost and couldn't remember what I was doing. I would try to make a cake, and I would put the same ingredients in two or three times because I would forget which one I put in. Tried to read and my eyes weren't working correctly. I would, as I said, go to sleep really, really early. Couldn't do the functions as a mom to the kids. I was too tired to do that. Couldn't remember to do those kinds of things. It's like what you normally do starts to go away, and you're scared that you're not going to be able to function again. You know, all the pieces that normally fit your day have gone away, and you try to do something and you get lost in it, and it's scary that you think you're going to stay like that. You know, it's very scary. I think on every level, you know, first of all, it gives you some justification that, you know, that you do have a problem, since people are going na na na, you know, so you do have a problem. And it also gives you, you know, hope that you can move forward. Okay, I have this, now what steps can I take? So, and I think if you can do that process early on, to have that knowing right away, you know inside you something's definitely wrong, but to have the knowing clinically and have professionals then right there. I mean, it took me probably a year till I found the right professionals, because you didn't know which pieces you needed. So I think to have a scan or something that says, okay, these are where your injuries lie, this is how we can help you, and it's also such a tool for the very, very beginning. You know, as I said, you know, when you're so lost, and even if you go on the internet and go, how do I get better here? To be able to find something to help you, to find the right professionals, it's a huge piece.